The Lifesaver Smoke Alarm program helps save lives by installing free smoke alarms in homes that don't have them and by educating people about home fire safety. The Red Cross and the Waco Fire Department teamed up to install smoke detectors to those homes who don't have them or are no longer working. The Waco Fire Department's canvassed at risk neighborhoods, passed out flyers, and set up a booth at the local HEB to talk to people about the importance of working smoke alarm system.
So we made contact. We did some canvassing, hanging door hangers out to the public. The public responded to that. And so what we're doing now is following up on those leads as far as people in our community who don't have smoke alarms. So today we're going to install the smoke alarms.
If you need assistance with the current smoke alarm system or need smoke alarms, please contact the local fire department. For more fire prevention safety tips, visit the city's website at waco-texas.com. Go to departments and click on Fire Department.